We have been given some algebraic expressions, and what we have to do is we have to tell how these expressions have been formed. So the first one is y plus 5, and if you have to tell how it has been formed, then it will be in this way. This is y plus 5, that means 5 added to y. This is t minus 7, it means 7 subtracted from t. This is 10 times a. Remember, we have a number, then we have a variable, and there is no arithmetic operation symbol in between them. That means it is 10 multiplied by a, right? So this is a multiplied by 10. This is x divided by 3. This is minus 5 times q. You have a negative number and then you have a variable, no arithmetic operation symbol in between them. That means this is minus 5 times, that is multiplication sign, and q. So this is q multiplied by minus 5. This is 3x plus 2, so this will be first multiply x multiplied by 3, and then first x multiplied by 3 and then 2 added to the product. Why? X multiplied by 3, it means it is a product, and then you have added 2 to it. In this case, this is 2y minus 5. It means that first y multiplied by 2 and then 5 subtracted from the product. Y multiplied by 2, so you get a product, then 5 is subtracted from that product, and that is what we have written here. This is 7m plus 3. Okay, so I'm not going to write it here, I'm just leaving it for you, but I'll just tell you what it is. So this is minus 7 times m. It means that first m multiplied by minus 7, what we have done here, then 3 added to the product, right? Similar to what we have performed here. In this case, it is first m multiplied by minus 7, then 3 subtracted from the product. I'm leaving these two algebraic expressions for you. Just write it what I have told you here, and that is, I'm repeating again, m multiplied by minus 7, then 3 added to the product, m multiplied by minus 7, then 3 subtracted from the product.